seaport you see in Lagos today is not the main seaport of Nigeria. Do you know that the seaport that the white man used to colonize Nigeria is in Ikota-Abasi, which is Akwa Ibom State? This is where this seaport is located, and why Nigeria government decided not to have anything seaport in this particular area. Why this seaport is the main seaport? You know the reason is because of Biafra. Most of you will say, hey, it's lies, but it's because of Biafra. They will not tell you the truth. And that is where the Frederick Lugard house is located. Where the amalgamation of this country, this suffering, everybody is today, is there. They signed the document, they signed everything close to that place. However, as that one they happen, they say one senator don't stand up for North. Contour say, if Shaka Ugumi know where the Boko Haram dey, why the Nigerian army cannot go there, you know, and throw Bunigwe for them for that place? But if not for Southeast, they go show power, Operation Egweke, and they will send Igbo boys to go and fight their own brothers. I'm going to show you the video. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to show you this first video for you to watch, and we'll come back and continue.
History has it that Ikota-Abasi, a local government area in Akwa Ibom State, was a major gateway into Nigeria apart from Lagos in the pre-colonial times. The community had a seaport through which some of the slave masters accessed the southern part of the country. This structure served as residence and office of Lord Frederick Lugard, who was the governor of both the Northern Nigeria Protectorate and the colony of the Protectorate of Southern Nigeria. He lived here with his spouse, Floral Shaw. This is where the Amalgamation Treaty was signed. Consequential artifacts have been left to corroborate history. The house is on elevated concrete pillars. It is a typical house of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It has a wide corridor supported by wooden pillars and big windows to cross-ventilate the offices. The whole structure is built with wood and corrugated iron sheets for the roof. The original roofing sheets are still here, but have turned dark brown, with a good portion of it totally gone. A visitor must be careful to avoid slipping through the holes and sustaining injuries.
Mama, be careful though, please.
Here are the relics of Lord Lugard's office. His table, chair, and his telephone are still here. Relics of old typewriter can be seen in this room that served as his secretary's office. A picture of Lord Lugard and spouse Flora Shaw is also here. The name Nigeria is said to have been coined by her. Some of the rooms are not accessible because of their poor state. The wood which serves as the floor is too weak to step on.
A building, and this is a local government that actually, hosted the signing, the treaty, signed Nigeria to become amalgamation in the days, the year 1914. So ever since then, this local government has remained like that, and we're thinking a lot should be done, to revive, regenerate these artifacts, and then see how to publicly, project the rich tourism potentials of this part of the country.
Directly opposite the Amalgamation House is Lord Lugard's residence. It's a story brick building made up of 3 rooms, neglected and now occupied by animals. This building is surrounded by other brick buildings used by Lugard's domestic staff. This location also brings to mind the popular Aba Women riot of 1929, where women protested ill treatment by the colonial masters. A 72-year-old women's rights activist takes us down memory lane.
We can date it from 1925, when women in Calabar protested. And we can add the protest of women in Aba. But we must not forget the protest of women in Utuetemekbu. Women died. In Abak, here in Akwa Ibom State, women died. And then the climax that now forced the colonial masters
My people, shebi una don hear am. Maybe after na go say na lie dey lie o. Shebi don hear am with your own ear. Or I want you to watch this video and hear wetin this former Nota senator, I think, have told the Nigerians. Just watch.
What is surprising me? Look at the videos are circulating for the insert.
My wonderful people, please share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it hot.